welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out on the driveway here and we're working on that Dodge Ram again. Yep, it's an 03. We're in the rust belt and it is rust free pretty much, but it's starting to get a little bit underneath. Now, if you go look at my other video, got a video about how I put automatic transmission fluid in all the seams and stuff and it migrates. But I have trouble getting it up in the frame rails, so we noticed that we're getting some rust on the bed frame and we're also getting some rust on the cab frame up underneath there. So we're going to try to protect that. And what we've done is we've selected this product, all right, wax wool, and we got this on Amazon. And remember, if you shop Amazon, you support My Two Good Hands, and we greatly appreciate it. Even if you're not going to go in there and buy this, you go in there through this link, you buy something else, it helps us out. It has a lot of good instructions. One thing we will do is we will put our respirator on because you don't want to breathe this stuff. We did get this other piece. We got the 3-can kit, and it comes with this piece, and this piece is interesting. I'll take it out of the bag here. It's got a little sprayer nozzle on there. I don't know how well you can focus on that, but try to get that to focus for you. But basically, if you look at it real close, you got 5 holes, one in the center, and you got 4 others. And it's got this on the other end to plug into the can. We're going to kind of take this and straighten it out. This will go up inside of our frame rails, so that's kind of neat. We're going to do one right here where we can see it to show you how it works, and then we're going to go do the rest of the truck. Now, this stuff does come with another sprayer, so you can spray it. We're going to show you some of that too. But and I bought the clear. You can get other colors, I guess, but I stay with a clear. When you read the directions, it says it should be between 50 and 90 degrees. The can. So the can has to come from the house, even though it's about 40 out here. So we should be good there. Be dry. We're dry. We're all good with that. The big thing here is to shake the can for 1 minute after the rattle is heard and occasionally during use. So you can hear that rattle in there. We're going to shake this for a minute. And you won't have to stay here for the minute because I'm going to stop this, get the respirator, and get you set up underneath so you can see what we're doing. And we'll do some experiment. You and I together. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate the support. You can see this is the hole here we're going to go in. It's kind of hard to see in there. I'm going to try to turn you so that we can get better light in there. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go in and get a better light. So we are back. You can see up the hole now a little better. I can see up it real well, so I can see what this does. We've shook this very well. We're going to plug. Oh, there was a light. We're going to plug this into here. Now we got it in there. Put it back on the can. Get our respirator on. Now I'll be a little muffled with the respirator on. So we're going to stick this in here just a little bit so you can see it. Hit the, ooh, yeah, that sprays really nice. Okay. So we are going to take this and stick it up the hole. Looks like it takes 2 hands to get it in there. Okay, so. Oh, okay. I'm going to take your seems to work pretty well. We're going to go underneath the car and try one, and then we'll bring you under there after we try one. So here we go. We're going underneath. Show you what we got. So you can kind of see what we've got right there. The beauty is you can go in the hole like this and spray it, and it goes way up in there. The other thing you could do here, you can see that we could just spray it on there. Where it started to get rusty. spray it on those spots there, up there. We can spray it in here. We can spray it up under here in these holes. We can take it, turn it up in there. So we're going to go do everything. See how that works. I'm going to turn it over here. We're doing this spray hell. Oh yeah, that works pretty well too. So the other one's nice, but this one works well too. Let's go underneath. So you got to see what that does, what it looks like now. You can see how we get that in there. Kind of put that on there. Seems to work pretty good. We're going to go around and we'll do more of the truck. And we'll see how this works, and we'll let you know. I'll bring you back at the end here. So thanks again for watching my two good hands. Hey, we'll catch you in the next video. So we did a little of this wax wool. We're going to see how that holds up. I did a little bit right here in the wheel wells so I can see it, so I can see what it's doing. I did both sides a little bit. Didn't really need to do them there. It's not rusting. It's clean. It's painted, everything. But I put a little on there so we can see what it does with the water. And, you know, that's where it's going to get the most abuse. So we're going to see what it does, and we'll let you know later. But hey, there you go. Like and subscribe. Post notifications on Amazon links below. When you shop Amazon through my two good hands, you help support the channel, which will bring you more cool video. So hey, we really appreciate it, and we will catch you in the next video. Hey, it's the holiday season here, so Merry Christmas to all.